How to return to Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can return items to Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you purchased a specific product and then you would like to return it, it also depends upon what stage your order or your product is in. If it's already been past the refund policy such as over a week or month, it will be very hard for you to refund it. However, if you just purchased and now you would like to return the item, you can absolutely do that. Depending upon the product policy, go ahead and then make sure to launch a Shein application here, and then what you want to do is you simply want to come to the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come over here, you'll be able to see my orders, where you can just go to the view all section. Over here you'll be able to see a list of all the orders that you've made, even the ones that have been shipped to you. So basically select an order that you would like to go ahead and then refund it, and once you select the product, you'll most likely be able to find the cancel or the return button right next to it. And when you select the return option, you'll be asked to enter a reason as to why you would like to return the items and so on, and Shein will get back into you with a positive solution. Hope this video helped you as to how you can return to Shein. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.